I still ain't rich.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Noisy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Nigga, I've been up 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5, 6 days straight. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5 days in a row. I got a little something, but I need a little more. 9 to 5 money just a little too slow, and I need that fast like pronto. Yeah, bags up under my eyes, okay. Working like I don't get tired, okay. I need me a suit and tie, okay. Because I'm married to the.
What up, man? It's your boy D Bonds. Back with another video. We got Mr. Duboy. We gonna be doing a little thing today, something that he wanted to do. So I was like, yo, it's a great idea. Duboy, what you wanted to do?
I wanted to do make a stand and for the solar.
A little stand for the solar, and this is gonna be something real simple.
Okay guys, we got this. Go mate. How many bolts? 120. Okay. The solar panels. These are solar panels. These are solar panels for lights.
Yep.
And games. How many watts? 100.
Mm-hmm.
And to gather they make 200. And after that, we got this. The solar charge controller to charge the solar panels.
Yep, but what does it do with it? Does it control it and everything else?
Yeah.
Your energy, or how much you want to use?
Yeah.
All right, so explain to them what is on those solar panels.
The solar panels.
Good job.
It's the battery. Let's see. The last one, you can put this on an any light.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very cool.
I did mine already with the solar charge controller. I did the wires. What I did was pretty much the wires that came with these. Bust all of them down. You gotta get some new wires, man. Like, he gonna build his first one. We got some 2x4. We got some 2x4 sticks.
Yep.
Try to put these on here. Put those in there.
Tight.
Alright, that's okay. Do this one. Screw it. It's a hole right there. You gotta look at the screw.
Okay.
Screw it tight. Use your muscles, boy. Use the muscles, boy.
It's tight.
Use the muscles, boy. Use the muscles, boy. Okay. Alright, good boy. So this part right here, now you're gonna have to screw. You're gonna have to use a screwdriver, my man. It's a hole right here. It's a hole right here. Do it tighter than that, bud, huh? Come on now. Alright.
What's tight?
It's tight?
It's getting hard.
It's getting harder? Alright. Good job.
Okay,
Alright. Our part almost done. There you go.
it's going tight.
Come on. You gotta do it. Put some off in it, though. There you go. There you go. Alright, Duboy, so show 'em what we did.
Okay guys, we did this and we put this to the nose and we got screwdrivers.
Show 'em how look. What we did to the back. Easy
That's
peasy.
easy.
Alright, so what we're gonna have to do now is Duboy is gonna have to set his up now.
Y'all see this? Y'all see this? The negative right there because y'all see white and the positive right there.
There you go, good job. Alright, so
Okay.
yep. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them in there like this. You're gonna make sure they both go in there. If it's too large, just put it in like that a little bit, okay? There you go. There you go.
Hold it like that.
Mm-hmm.
And just turn it
Yep,
up.
keep turning, keep turning. Alright, go to the other side. Don't pull nothing out, just keep it in the same. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure it's tight. There you go. Now screw it.
This?
Yeah. No, this.
This?
The neck, yep. You wanna make sure it's really on there. You don't wanna be able to pull it out. Alright, do the other one. Alright. Check your wire. Go with it. Is it coming out?
No.
Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, wait. Boy, show him that, boy. Show him that, boy. Show the camera, boy. Show the camera, boy.
I'm literally like playing on this.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Talking about. Man, they tripping. Next one we're gonna do is the battery.
Wait.
Mm-hmm. Wait. There you go. There you go. All right, hold it in there. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go. This one. Check it. Tug your wire. Is it coming out?
Nah.
Nah?
A little bit more pressure?
Let me see.
It ain't.
Let me see. Okay, dude. All right, my boy. Hey, that's all right. Hey, we in there like swimwear. So the only thing we got to do now is just plug it up and see if it works. we gotta plug these up, dude, boy. We gotta plug these up, dude, boy.
And this is my first time.
This is first time. His first time. This is your shine. You feel me? You gotta plug your solar panels in.
One at the top.
Yep, one at the bottom. There you go. Bang. We got that. Wait, like I said, we cut these wires up. I did these wires by myself. I cut them and put the negative with the positive. Y'all know what I'm saying. I joined them together so it can make the signal more stronger. It looks good, dude, boy. I'm proud of you. It looks really, 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 really good. So now that we got that on, we gotta tie that bad boy down. We gotta tie that bad boy down. And then we're gonna check the battery.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, so let's tie this down. You can put that right here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That joint's starting to look good, man. Oh, my.
Another side.
Another side. And then we got the bottom with these wires. I don't want to mess these wires up.
It's not still in the ball right here.
That's okay. Bam. Alright, dude, boy. You did a good job, man. Hey, that's alright. Show them your project, man. Hold on, give us a second, man. I gotta stand this up. We gotta see this. This is a celebration. We camping tonight.